First of all, many thanks for calling me and giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. My name is Muhamad Azim bin Azman. You can call me Azim. Currently, I am living in Muar, Johor. I have completed my 3 years diploma in computer networking from College Professional Mara and 3.5 years in Bachelor Computer Science major in Computer Security from University Technical Malaysia Melaka. During my diploma internship, I worked with Steven Teleworld Center located in Muar, and I was put under the network specialist. My job was to learn and configure hardware security devices, which is router, switch, and server. I applied my Cisco Certified Network Associates knowledge that I learned during my diploma. I have enjoyed the work I do at this company. I see a tremendous opportunity to leverage my skills and experience, especially with excellent communication ability. During my degree internship, I worked with Cybersecurity Malaysia and I was put under development researcher. I applied my final year project, which is artificial intelligence in facial recognition using deep learning, into the working space since it was the company demand. My environment are very satisfying. It is because every single time I face a problem, I will discuss with my team to solve it. I am also often brainstorm with my team to develop a good idea for the job scope. My strengths are I am a hardworking, loyal, and enthusiastic person who understands how important work is to my overall happiness. I take my work very seriously and I'm also looking to improve my skills and qualification so I can work to the highest standards possible in my role. Professionalism in simple words means staying reliable, honest, and punctual. Professionalism is not achieved just by completing the task in given time, but it is also doing it in the right way. Professionalism also entails being nice and respectful. As example, when we walk in for an interview, a proper dress code and speaking formally is one of professionalism. For me, applying professionalism into myself is crucial because it shows how passionate I am and always keep me being motivated. Besides, professionalism in terms of career could mean a lot of things, depending on the course of work you are doing, the people you have interacted with, and most of the time is your personal understanding of the idea. Either being good at work, treating good with co-workers and clients, and many more. I also consider professionalism as advanced ability of situational awareness and contextual judgment, which allows professionals to utilize variety communication, technical, and practical skills, depending on the professional scenario and environment. Conflict can happen when different views or opinions come to light. When conflict occurs, the idea is not to try to prevent disagreements, rather to solve and manage conflicts effectively. As a project manager, firstly, I would identify a safe place and a time to talk. Finding a private place and a good time allows them to take the risk involved for honest communication about the issues at hand. Ensure the amount of time for a meeting is acceptable and appropriate for all parties. Second, clarify individual perceptions involved in the conflicts. It is important that each party involved in the conflict has an opportunity to express his or her perception or understanding of the conflict. An issue can be solved if you are unclear what the problem is about. Start by sorting out the parts of the conflict get straight to the heart of the matter and avoid any unrelated issues not pertaining to the conflict at hand. Identify issues clearly and concisely and remove the emotion from the situation. It's important that each person recognize that everyone needs to be involved to be the most effective. Third, generate options with the vision of a win-win outcome. In conflict resolution, a win-win strategy is a process that aims to accommodate all parties and arise out a sense of fairness. Clarify the criteria that the individuals or team will use for evaluating options. This ensures everyone is on the same page and with mutually acceptable criteria, good solution to problems become easier to formulate. Lastly, develop an agreement that works for all. At the conclusion of the negotiation process, the employees have reached an agreement regarding solution to each of the problems. Restate them back to each other to ensure everyone agrees with both intents of the solutions. And now it is to be carried out. As the conversation comes to a close, leave the session with a commitment to implement the plans they have just created. Yes, I am really excited about this opportunity and feeling I could provide great value in this role. I would definitely to be open to be relocated, and I look forward to learn more details around this. Furthermore, I have my own transport to travel around, which could make me easier if relocating is a part of that. I would definitely consider it. If the opportunity given to me is appropriate, rewarding and feasible, I don't think I will have any issues with it. Moreover, I think that relocate teach how to adjust or cooperate with new people. It would be my pleasure to relocate myself because I will be able to enhance my knowledge and sharing our ideas from different cultures and different kinds of people that will definitely generate a more productive outcome, which will be beneficial for me, which is good as well for my company.